The future is real-time, revolutionizing software development. Picture a world where software reacts instantly, where systems respond to actions in real time, and lag is a thing of the past. This isn't science fiction. It's the real-time revolution, and it's here to redefine how software engineers design, build, and innovate. Real-time technology is the engine powering modern applications, from streaming platforms to collaborative tools like Figma or Slack. As a software engineer, understanding this shift will prepare you to create solutions that are not only fast, but also incredibly responsive. Let's dive into this transformative movement and why it's the future of development. At its core, real-time means immediacy. Data is updated and acted upon the moment changes occur. Think of live stock market dashboards, multiplayer gaming, or GPS apps delivering turn-by-turn directions in sync with drivers' movements. Unlike traditional batch processing or delayed updates, real-time systems operate on the principle of event-driven architecture. This ensures that every interaction, no matter how small, triggers an immediate and actionable response. The result? Seamless, live experiences that feel like magic. This leap toward real-time is powered by emerging tools, frameworks, and protocols. Engineers today are equipped with cutting-edge technologies that make real-time development accessible at scale. Take WebSockets, for instance. Unlike HTTP, which relies on a request and response model, WebSockets enable a persistent connection between client and server. This means faster communication for applications requiring constant updates, such as chat apps or live trading platforms. Additionally, tools like Firebase, SignalR, and Socket.io make building real-time functionality straightforward. Combined with cloud services and distributed systems, scalability in real-time apps is no longer just achievable, it's practical. Real-time development isn't theoretical, it's everywhere. Here are some groundbreaking examples already transforming lives and industries. Healthcare. Real-time monitoring systems track patients' vital signs and send alerts instantaneously when irregularities occur, saving lives. Collaboration tools. Applications like Google Docs allow multiple users to edit the same document simultaneously, with changes visible instantly. IoT and smart devices. Devices like smart thermostats or home assistants analyze and act on data the moment it's received. As users increasingly demand instant responsiveness, the expectation is clear. Tomorrow's developers must master real-time systems to deliver these experiences. Behind the promise of real-time computing lie significant challenges. Handling concurrency, ensuring data consistency, and managing scalability at lightning speed are just a few hurdles engineers face. Latency, for example, can cripple real-time systems. As data moves through servers, databases, and APIs, even milliseconds matter. Optimizations like edge computing and caching play crucial roles in reducing lags and maintaining a smooth user experience. Security is another concern. Systems that facilitate live data exchanges are potential targets for attacks like data interception or injection. Prioritizing encrypted protocols and robust authentication measures is essential when working with real-time architectures. So, how can you prepare to be part of this real-time future? Start by experimenting with tools. Build small proof-of-concept projects using WebSockets or Firebase, and explore how data streaming operates in real-time applications. Dive into event-driven architectures and asynchronous programming. These paradigms are the backbone of real-time systems, enabling efficient handling of high data throughput without bottlenecks. Expanding your skill set in these areas will open doors to the next generation of development opportunities. But most importantly, adopt a growth mindset. The landscape of real-time technologies is ever-changing, and staying ahead requires continuous learning and curiosity. The digital economy is built on immediacy. Consumers demand faster apps, seamless collaboration, and live interactions. As artificial intelligence and IoT integrations advance, real-time technology will only become more central to software development. Organizations are already prioritizing developers who can design systems capable of processing and responding to data within seconds. Real-time skills aren't just optional, they're becoming the benchmark for future-ready engineers. The revolution in real-time software development is an invitation to innovate, adapt, and lead. As engineers, this is your chance to shape the future by creating experiences that respond, react, and evolve in perfect synchrony with users. Start with the tools, master the architecture, and confront the challenges head-on. The path may not always be easy, but the rewards of real-time expertise will set you apart in a world where immediacy is everything. Let's build the future, one real-time interaction at a time. Like, subscribe, and share to fuel your real-time development journey. And join us in revolutionizing how the world connects, collaborates, and creates today.